Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the Lego Spies butterfly knife. So here it is. It's pretty cool. Has animal features, and let me get it open. And I think I'm gonna make a tutorial for this. So let me if you guys can post something to see your fastest time, then that would be good. So that's just a little meet the spy trick. And I messed up that time. So anyways, here are the features. Anyways, so we have the knife blade open. And so it's the blade is not really a blade, it's a little Technic thing. Has a little blade guard thing right here. It also stabilizes it too. So when you're flipping it, it doesn't like fly out. So we also have a safety latch. As you can see, I removed the pin from the little thing. So let me just put the safety on the blade. Okay, there we go. So, working safety with a little safety pin. But the blade is nicely enclosed in there. It's just the right fit. So this weapon is really cool. And so this was meant to be like a little model, so let me open up the blade again with the little flip. So another way the safety works is that you can it actually works by pressure too. You don't exactly need the pin. So all you need to do, push this out and then flip the blade. So this weapon is pretty cool. It took me about, I'd say, 1 hour to plan and build. See, I had technical difficulties because I was at first going to make it out of bricks, but I couldn't find out how to do it. So I looked on the internet, and I actually got an idea from another YouTuber, but he made this mechanism. So anyways, I give thanks to that guy, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video, and bye.